Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a crispy juicy chicken recipe that's going to be an instant hit at your table. Let's get cooking. Start by taking 2 chicken breasts and cutting them horizontally to create thinner slices. Now, place the sliced chicken on a food cutter or flat surface, cover it with plastic film, and tenderize it using a meat hammer. This step makes the chicken super tender and helps absorb all the delicious flavors. Next, place the chicken fillets in a large mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoon onion powder, and ½ teaspoon garlic powder. Now, use your hands to make sure all the chicken is well coated. Then let it marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes to absorb the flavors. While the chicken is marinating, it's time to set up our breading stations. In the first plate, add 1 cup of flour. In the second plate, crack 3 eggs and add 1/4 cup of milk, along with ½ teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. In the third plate, add 1½ cups of bread crumbs, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give it all a good mix. Now, take each marinated chicken fillet and coat it first in the flour, making sure it's fully covered. Then, dip it in the egg mixture, letting any excess drip off. Finally, coat it generously in the seasoned bread crumbs. Repeat the process for all the fillets. Now it's time to fry. Heat oil in a deep pan over high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated chicken fillets in the oil. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown on both sides. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once done, place the fried chicken on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, golden, mouth-watering fried chicken that's packed with flavor and crunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a delicious new recipe. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!